Hey guys, today we will be making this delicious strawberry ice cream, which is literally only 5 steps. The first step is making a strawberry sauce, which is 1 cup of strawberries and 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. We will mix it and then blend it in the blender on high speed. So this is how the strawberry sauce looks like. Next, we will move into the whipped cream. We will need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then we will beat this until very soft peaks or if it's barely formed. Then I will add 1 heaping tablespoon of powdered sugar or 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you beat until stiff peaks, but be aware that this is a little bit of a mild strawberry ice cream. This isn't super sweet, so feel free to add more sugar. Now we will mix the whipped cream and strawberry sauce together by folding. And now you have your strawberry mixture. So now I recommend spooning it into like silicone molds or into a container, whichever one you have already with you. But I have these really cute heart silicone molds, so I'm just going to put my ice cream mixture into that. Put some cling wrap on top and then freeze it overnight. So now I'm tapping it against the table to remove any air bubbles, putting some cling wrap on it, and then I'm going to freeze it overnight. With the remaining amount of your mixture, or with all of your mixture, you can do whichever you would like. You can spoon it into a container and once again, either put a lid on it or put some cling wrap and then freeze overnight. So it's the next day and you can take the ice cream out of your mold and put it onto a plate. So here's how they look like. Enjoy! However, we still have one more option. This is our traditional ice cream. I really recommend having this with chocolate syrup because it's just amazing. Because you know, strawberries and chocolate, so good. If you like these types of recipes which are easy and delicious, don't forget to subscribe to Yummy Buds and leave a like and check out my other videos.